Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Panos and today I'm going to show you how to make your own website, portfolio or blog for free, getting free hosting, domain name, and of course how to make a simple website. Not like that, but like a simple one. So yeah, the reason why I'm making this tutorial, for those who are subscribed to my channel and you know that I'm uploading Blender tutorials. For those who don't know, Blender is a 3D app program actually, yes. And the reason why is because when I tried to make my portfolio, which is this one, it also has tutorials and stuff, I went through a lot of problems, like some domains were not working properly, hosting was but now I figured everything out, and I think that it would be really cool if I made a tutorial for you which is updated, and it is, yeah, close to today. So now what we are going to do, first things first, we want to go to .tk, and it's typed in dot and then the .tk, just like that, perfect, and type in, let's say, tutorial domain address. Okay, tutorial domain address, and hit go. Now for the purpose of this tutorial I'm going to use a mailinator email, and you're gonna say, what? Well, mailinator is a service that allows you to use an email, but the downside of the things is that everyone can use them, and I use it only for this time because it is for educational purposes, and I can't just spam emails on Google every time I make a new record of the tutorial. So now here you will see some settings. Registration length, change it to 12 months. Don't worry about it, after 12 months you have just to reset it and everything will be just fine. But for 1 year is perfect. Use DNS, your own DNS. Type those in, SD8C 8FCJ, perfect. And also we want to fill those in, and you will be like, what are those exactly? Well, that's pretty simple. This is the server IP, the server name that we are going to use, and what this is for is, imagine that server is something like a computer which has storage space, and it is plugged into the internet and to the power forever, for every single day of the year, for every hour of the day. So it is 24/7 on and will host your website. But how are we going to get free hosting? Well, that's simple. We're going to go to 000webhost.com, link in description below. So yeah, make sure you click that one. So once you've clicked it, you should be brought up to a page like that. So you want to hit sign up, fill those in. So I want to host my own domain, and this is really important because if you fill out this one, it's gonna make a .net and .net service domain, and it's gonna get really messy. So you wanna click just that and type your domain, which is tutorial domain address.tk, domain address.tk. You can see how many times I've recorded this tutorial. Your name, let's say your name is Jeff, and your email is like jefftutorials mailinator.com. Of course, here you want to use your real email, because honestly, a mailinator email can be accessed by everyone and can be deleted from time to time. It's really risky, and you should use your own Gmail account, which is the one that fits you in this case. For example, Gmail or Yahoo or Hotmail, whatever you're using. Now for password, let's choose a password, really simple. A moment of silence for me typing in the code, and of course the approval that you're not a robot. So I agree with the terms of service and create my account. Now it should say we do not accept signups from disposable temporary anonymous email address. Oh, so they don't like the email address that I've used. So let's try something else. I'm gonna pause the video just 1 second. So okay, I'm going to use my FAQ email address for addicted to CG and stuff. So type the code in, everything filled in, our domain, nothing here, your name, email address, Gmail, of course, and password, which is perfect. And looking good. Let me check this one. And okay, perfect. And hit create my account. Perfect, we got our account. Now they will send us an email verification. Here it goes, and you wanna click this link here. It says to confirm your registration, please click this link. Here it goes, and here you go. You need to refresh status. It's gonna take around 10 seconds. Yeah, maybe 30 seconds if the servers are really heavy. But anyways, refresh. So it should be up from time to time. Don't worry. It is creating your server and stuff. Okay, perfect. It's up. So go to cPanel, view account details, and here are the name of the servers. Control C to copy, or right click copy and paste this one here, and the second one, copy, paste that in. Perfect. And let's check everything. Everything's looking cool. So hit sign up, and now it says use one of your existing accounts. Uncheck this checkbox, and you can use Google Plus, Flickr, my OpenID, Windows Live ID, and all those stuff. But I'm gonna use email address to sign up. My email address, which is this one, and hit next. And your name, let's say Jeff. My name is Panos, but whatever. Okay, perfect, looking good. And create my account. Perfect. .tk has sent you an email to your email address. Open your email and click on the link to activate your domain name. So they do something similar to 000webhost.com did. So if we go back, here it goes, the first one. If it is a bit late, then don't worry, it might take around 2 minutes. So here's my confirmation code. Control C and click the link that they've sent you. Perfect. And hit Control V. Delete every space that it has and confirm. Perfect. So don't pay attention to those and go ahead and log in. Gmail.com, and my password is, okay, let's log in. Very nice. And now we are to the client area. If we go to domains, my domains, we will see that we have this domain and it's active. So now the most of you might go like, okay, it's active, so list accounts, click on the domain, and what? This web page is not available. Well, don't worry, it takes around 2 hours to complete the process, but I'm gonna skip to another domain that I have and show you what's going to happen. So what you have to do next, because you really don't want to lose time at all, you want to go to cPanel, go to view FTP details, okay, and while you are here, click to add a new panel and go ahead and change account password, because honestly this is something like AB3C and stuff. So type your password here. Looking good. Change. And error, I probably typed something wrong. Okay, change. For security reasons, account password cannot be the same as your member's area password. Okay, I get it. So let's try Okay, information, password has been updated and stuff, save password, back to control panel. So here we are, view FTP details, and we have those. Now here, the new tab, go ahead and Google FileZilla, which is perfect, and we want the client version. You wanna go hit the first one and hit FileZilla download now. Now when it is downloading, don't click anything else, just wait. Wait, it should be up. Ooh. Let's say agree and proceed. It should be somewhere like here. Click here to download now. Let's go back. Here it goes, FileZilla. Okay. So now I think that the first time I downloaded it, it said like it was something like a virus. Oh yeah, we don't want this, or we do want this one. Okay, click this one up that you have downloaded and run anyway. I got to put my password, run anyway. Oh Jesus, run anyway. Okay, yes. And now that's really important because you don't want to have a lot of ads popping up to your browser and stuff. Hit next, and now decline, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Your software is downloading. Wait for this one to load up, and now later, okay, you can hit install now, and the FileZilla will install. But I already have this installed, so I'm gonna hit later. Okay, later. And it pops up the window with the FileZilla executable file. So I don't need this one. I'm gonna go ahead and find FileZilla with double L, FileZilla, like that. And here it should be FileZilla. Here it goes. I have Windows 10 Tech Preview because I really like them. And here you go. When you will open it, it should look something like that. So go back to here. Here it goes. Host, we need to type the FTP host name, which is your domain. Control C, Control V, then FTP username, which is this weird number. Control V, password, the one that you changed. So mine is and quick connect. I think I typed the password wrong. Okay, it was successful. So once this is done, it says directory listing of successful, and go to public HTML because here's where you want to put everything in, and keep those in, or actually you can of course delete them. I'm gonna delete them, and put in the WordPress one. And how are you going to get this? This is really simple. Just go to wordpress.org. Okay, not .com but .org. Hit enter, and here it goes. WordPress.org. Download WordPress 4.1.1, which is the latest one for March 2015. Download WordPress and wait for this to download. Now once it's downloaded, it is a zip file, so you will need a zip file opener program to open it up. So I am using Banzip and I'm really happy with it. So what I'm going to do is, once it is finished, oh come on, today if you want to, because you know guys, here in Greece you have like the slowest internet in the planet, on the planet. Oh, here it goes. Click to open this up, and here are the files. Now you wanna extract this folder on your desktop. I already have done it here, so here's the folder, and here are the files that we are going to need. Now hit quick connect once more. Okay, whatever, just to make sure everything is running perfectly, and hit Control A to select everything here. Or actually, you could do this to other versions of FileZilla. I think you can do this as well. Yeah, so click the files and drag them over here. Click and drag, okay? Okay, I've already done that, and it should try upload the files on the server. It says here successful transfers 34, 36, 40, and goes on and on and on. Now, while this is uploading, because I don't want you to waste any time, leave this load. It should be really cool. It shouldn't take much time. Honestly, if you have something like more than 20 megabps internet speed, because here I'm having something close to 10 megabytes per second. This is what I'm having. So yeah, successful transfers almost 100, 105 actually. And yeah, it shouldn't take much time. I'm gonna pause the video and log into my other account, which has already done uploading the files. So okay, here it goes. This is my domain, and I have already uploaded. Oh no, it is not finished yet. So I have uploaded all my files here. So I really don't have to wait for this one as well. I'm gonna click this one, and once the files are all uploaded, and after like 2 hours, when the domain is done as well, you will click this link here, which is your domain, and you will be brought up to that one, which is the WordPress installer. You can call this manager. I'm going to call this just WordPress installer. So choose a language. I really like English, United States. Continue. And it says, welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, we need some information on the database. You will need to know the following items before proceeding: database username, database name, database username, database password, and database host. God. And table prefix. So let's go. Database database name, which you can find. Go to cPanel. Go to, I think it's here. Yeah, here they are. Host, it is your domain. Put this in, and username is that one, exactly the same as we used for the or actually no, I think it is the SQL one, but oh my god, I don't care. And it should say somewhere MySQL. So here it goes. It's not the VFTP details, it is MySQL. Okay, my bad, I'm sorry. My SQL database name, you will be asked to create one. So let's say 001, MySQL username 001, and password for my SQL user, and okay, looking good. Create database, and it's done. Save, and here it goes. So your host name is this one. Copy that one right here. Control C, Control V, and your database name is this one. Username. Actually, this is the user, which is the same for me, but copy the user. Okay, user, this one. Control C, Control V, the username. The password is Jeff password for me. That's what I used. And yeah, the name is actually that one. God. Okay, so this is the name. Control C, Control V to paste this in. And the database host, which is the first one I copied, this one, actually goes here, database host, Control V. And table prefix is, or should be, let's see, oh yeah, here's what you wanna choose. For example, tutorials test domain.tk slash what you are going to use to view the website. So let's say a Hupu test or English. Okay, perfect. And hit submit. can't select database. We were unable to connect to the database, which means username and password is okay, but not able to select the. Okay, so try again. I think I did a mistake. Password is the password for me. This is what I used for this case, and yeah, this one database name I forgot to copy the entire one, which is here. Control C, Control V, looking good, everything's good. Submit. And alright, Sparkly, you've made it through this part of the installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you are ready, time now to. Okay, run the installation. Site title, for example, let's say test, and username tester. Okay, perfect. Really hard to hack in and stuff. So password, I have to type this in twice. I'm actually going to go something like tutorial stuff and stuff. So okay, and okay, looking good. Very weak. Who cares? Your email. Fuck you. Addicted. That sounds like offended. I mean FAQ. Okay, let's say this like that. Some people might get offended. Fuck you. Addicted to gmail.com. Allow search engines to index this site and install WordPress. And tester. Okay, user's password. Login. Username is tester. This is what I used, and my password. Okay, remember me. Login. So slash UP and admin, this is what you're going to use to log into your website as the administrator. So slash UP and admin, this is exactly how it is written. You use this one to edit your website, otherwise you just go in and view it. So here it goes. Let's see the website, view site. FileZilla is still not done. Cancel. Okay, keep uploading. Good. And here we go. This is how it looks like. Hello world. Welcome to WordPress. This is your first post and stuff, but we want to use our own theme. So go to Appearance, Themes. How much time is it? How long has been the tutorial? It's like 23 minutes. It's going well. Here you will have a lot, and I mean a lot of cool themes. So just hit Add New, and here are all the ones that are provided to you by WordPress. So here are some of them looking really good, and the most of them are like looking like also professionalism stuff. So I'm going to use this one because I really like it. Multi-sub. Let's install this one. It also shows how this is going to look. Install and install themes. Downloading install package from HTTPS and download WordPress and stuff. Unpacking the package, installing the theme. So wait for it. It shouldn't take a long time for it to download. So yeah, wait for this. And while we are waiting, I want to tell you something really cool. What is cool about this service right here, 000webhost.com, is that their servers are up for 99%, which means that you are really unlikely to have a crashed website or unresponding servers and stuff. To be honest, I did not actually, yes I did, let me remember. Yeah, actually I did. I did use this one to make my website, and the reason why sometimes it is down is usually because I've done some errors while making it, and now I can't fix them. So whatever, while this theme is installing, let's talk more about why you should use a website, portfolio, or blog. Before I start, actually for the people who wanna just skip through this part, just do this. It should take like 2 minutes. Skip the video if you want. And yeah, why should you care about this one? specifically? Well, that's simple. Because if you know, if you want to find a job as a 3D artist, you definitely want to use a portfolio. Because how are other people going to view your work? I mean, really, how? And what is also really important is for a website, okay? You have a company, business, or whatever you're running now, and you want to have a website. It is casual. I mean, you need to sell your products, say to people something about you and stuff. And finally, blogs are really useful for bloggers, make some money and stuff. Of course, you can make money with website and portfolio as well, but honestly. So I'm gonna pause the video actually and be right back when it's okay. So I couldn't just wait for the theme to load. And what's this one? I tried downloading another theme. I'm not sure if I did downloaded it correctly, but it looks good. So I downloaded another one. And the cool thing about WordPress is that you can see your website being changed live. So if I go to test view site, I should see something like, oh yes, I didn't downloaded it correctly. So yeah, once you have installed it and downloaded it correctly, it is gonna take a while, like 10 to 15 minutes. I couldn't really wait. I just couldn't. I had to keep viewing the tutorial and stuff. So my other domain has already uploaded all the files. It took like 10 minutes, and the domain address is also up. Also took around 10 minutes. So here's how it looks, like the original one that we made. And I'm gonna choose another theme because honestly, let's go with this one. Because honestly, I couldn't really wait. I'm sorry. I should have waited, but I couldn't. So view site, and here it goes. This is how the site looks like. It says hello world and all those stuff. You can of course go back and go to pages, add new pages, remove pages. So I'm gonna go ahead and add new. Name this testing. You can really find whatever theme you like and stuff. Hello everyone, this is my phone ringing, so I'm gonna pause the video. Just sorry, please excuse my phone and everything. Sorry. So back to where we stopped. Hello everyone, my name is Panos, and this is a testing website. Perfect, looking good. You see here you have a lot of like instructions on how to use WordPress and stuff. And here's a cool fact: more than 23% of the internet uses WordPress to build up their websites, and even some popular celebrities that you already know, like Katy Perry or Jay-Z. So yeah, let's say I've made this page, publish, and here it goes. I'm gonna now go here and right click, open link in new tab to see my website, and hey look, now I have another page saying testing. Cool. I can add a comment and stuff. You can always remove this if you go to appearance, widgets. You can see, for example, at the main widget area, second widget area, and all that stuff. You can always add plugins which are really cool, like let's say Google AdSense, which is really useful one if you want to put Google AdSense to your website. And add new. Sorry, you have to click add new, and then search here, for example, Google AdSense. You can see here which are the most downloaded ones. I'm gonna go Google AdSense, and here you can see the first one, Google AdSense by Google, the official Google AdSense plugin and stuff. So once you've built your portfolio, website or blog, download this one and put ads on it. You have to of course do a small like preparation for it, but it will work, so don't worry about it. And until here we have, if we go here, we have our website running perfectly, getting hosted for free, and a domain address which is .tk, and all those for free and within less than half an hour or just half an hour. So yeah, you can always go ahead and install new themes, try one that you really like, and put your images on or text what you wanna use and stuff. And yeah, it's pretty cool. That was the tutorial. I don't wanna get too much over the stage of building the website because this is going to take quite a while and the tutorial is going to get more than an hour. And I really like this one. That's looking cool. And by the way, I really don't wanna make a huge tutorial that no one's going to watch. So at the popular ones, you can see some really cool designs, and yeah, it's whatever you like. This is the one that I used for my website. It's called Vintage, and yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the tutorial. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the tutorial and that you made an awesome looking website. If you did, make sure to upload content recently, not like me, because I try, but I don't create artwork every day. So make sure you add content to your website and stuff so that it is getting more and more exciting and people will get hooked up with you. So yes, thank you again very much for watching. I hope you liked it, and leave a thumbs up to the video if you like it, dislike if you disliked it, leave a comment if you want to say something like nice tutorial and stuff, which helps me a lot and motivates me. And yeah, thank you very much. And something last for the guys that are subscribed to my channel. I say a lot of things and I'm sorry, but for those guys, this tutorial is not about Blender. The reason being why a lot of artists out there I know are creating some really beautiful piece of art, but they do not upload it somewhere, and other than Blender artist, Blender group on Facebook and Adventureship Blender and all those stuff which find images and puts them in, you really can't find a job like that. You can't find a job by saying I have a Blender artist like post with my artworks and stuff. You have to show them your portfolio so that they know that you are creating well designed, well, not well designed, you are having good quality content, and they will see all your work, some of your biography and stuff. And yes, I hope you all like the tutorial. Leave a thumbs up. Oh my god, I'm not going to say the same thing. So again, thank you very much for watching. Hope you like it. And finally, bye bye to everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day.